I'm Mr. Krieger. I'd like to begin this video by asking you to take a look at the picture of a pair of black swans and their 5 baby swans called cygnets. What could this tranquil scene possibly have to do with a recent SAT disputed vocabulary in context question? Stay tuned. The swans and their cygnets invite viewers to contemplate the beauty of nature. But College Board test writers are not normal viewers. Instead of being awed by the wonders of nature, they are far more interested in using the scene to write a diabolically clever vocabulary in context question that asks students to choose between reciprocity and elasticity as the best way to describe the social behavior of black swan families. Now, according to the passage, successful black swan breeding pairs sometimes foster the cygnets of less successful parents. Okay, that sounds like a good common sense strategy, but there's more. It is sometimes common for male-male pairs to rear cygnets. This parental pairing can achieve a significantly higher rate of survival than the traditional parenting of female-male pairs. Now, many students chose reciprocity as the best answer to describe the black swan families. They reasoned that reciprocity means exchanging things with others for mutual benefits. Well, the passage does seem to imply a mutually beneficial exchange among black swan parents. Reciprocity is a very tempting answer. But what about elasticity? Many students rejected elasticity because of its traditional definition as the ability of an object or material to resume its shape after being stretched. But wait, this is the SAT. Elasticity can also mean the ability to change or adapt. A close reading of the passage reveals that it does not provide a specific example of a mutual exchange between black swan parents, but it does provide examples of the adaptations black swans make in raising their young. The passage thus supports the second definition of elasticity as the most logical and precise answer. I'm very pleased to report that elasticity is defined and illustrated in my book, Winning Words. You can learn more about winning words by checking out my website at insidertestpreparations.com or by taking a look at the book on Amazon. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm confident the Krieger Defense Forces will protect you from being diabolically cooked by College Board test writers. Remember, this video is part of a series devoted to disputed vocabulary in context questions. In addition, check out my series of YouTube videos on vocabulary clusters and difficult critical reading passages. Once again, thank you for your time and attention.